Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making yeast rolls, also known as dinner rolls. Here we have our 1 cup of warm milk, and we're going to add our yeast to our milk. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of my sugar to my milk and yeast mixture. And then we're going to give that a stir. We're going to let that sit for 8 to 10 minutes until our yeast blooms. Now for our ingredients for our yeast rolls, we have our blend milk and yeast and sugar mixture here. 2 whole eggs that I have let come to room temperature. The rest of our sugar. 1 tablespoon of olive oil or whatever oil you have on hand. 1 stick of butter that I have let come to room temperature. And this is what the milk, sugar, and yeast mixture should look like once it's blended. Now for adding our ingredients to our mixer, we're going to add in 1 stick of butter. Keep the wrapper, we're going to use this to butter our pan. Add in our milk and yeast and sugar mixture to our mixer. The rest of our sugar. Next we're going to add our eggs to a bowl, and we're going to get those scrambled, and we'll get those added into the mix as well. Now for our main ingredient, we're going to add our flour to our mixer. And we're going to get our mixer turned on slow. We're going to get everything incorporated. As the mixer starts pulling away from the side of the bowl, you want to kind of increase the speed of your mixer. And let your dough knead for about 9 minutes. If you're in a humid area like I am, your dough may look like it needs more flour. Do not add more flour to your mixture. The dough will be just fine. And now I'm going to add my oil to my bowl where I'm going to let my dough rise. And here I'm just adding some of the oil to my hands to prevent the dough from sticking to my hands. And here I'm just kneading the dough a little bit to get the oil incorporated all the way around the dough before I set it to rise. Now I'm going to cover the bowl with saran wrap, and we're going to get this rested so it can rise for approximately 60 minutes or until it's doubled in size. Now we're going to get this to rise, and we're going to set it in a warm spot. I normally like to put it either on top of my refrigerator, or you can also put it in the oven and turn just the oven light on, and that'll help as well. Now you can see that our dough has doubled in size, and we're going to just get this pulled out on our cutting board and start dividing it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my dough cut up into 24 pieces, that way, because we're going to create 24 rolls. If you would like accuracy on the measurements of how big the roll should be, you can also use a scale and weigh your dough out approximately 1.5 ounces per roll. Remember that butter wrapper I told you guys to save? This is it. You're going to take it and you're going to rub it on the inside of your pan and get it buttered. And now we're going to get our rolls placed in our pan. All we're doing is just taking each individual roll, and we're going to just kind of tuck it underneath itself to just create a roll. There's no wrong or right way to do it. And just know that the more you make these rolls, the easier they'll become to roll out. And now that I got all 24 of my rolls rolled out, I'm going to get my pan covered with some plastic wrap, and we're going to get these rolls placed in another warm area again, and we're going to let them rise for about 20 to 30 minutes. And We're gonna get these in the oven at 375 degrees for 14 to 17 minutes. This is what my yeast rolls look like once I take them out the oven, and they're looking good and smelling delicious. And I have some melted butter. I'm just gonna brush over the top. Hey, who don't like more butter?